My name is Andrew Topa, 26 years old. I've been riding BMX bikes for about 17 years. I've been to all 50 states in the country and 10 countries outside the United States, all for BMX. Nowhere BMX. And this guy likes to go big. He likes to go fast. He's always got a big old smile on his face. Look at that huge air on the ramp already. And a backflip to start the show. How about some noise for Bronson? You put that where hopefully everyone can see it. And we're gonna get these 3 brave volunteers to lay down on this mat right here, all right? So you 3 are gonna lay down right here. This is in the middle. No, I'm just kidding, they're all safe. All right, now can you guys guess what we're gonna do? Bronson's going to attempt to jump over. All right, this is gonna be crazy because Bronson's record is 2.5 people, so let's make some noise for Bronson right now. Uh-oh, now it's 4. You guys are kind of quiet, let's hear it for him. Oh, no problem. How about some noise for Bronson? Even from all of you quiet there in the back. All right, huge air on the big ramp, doing a little can-can, and a can-can tire grab. Wow, how about some
What? Be a camera.
All right, well, how about this? To eliminate the win factor, how about we get one really brave adult volunteer that wants to come sit in that chair? Do I have any adult volunteers that want to come out here and sit in this chair? Anybody? I can't choose you, so if you're above the age of 18, you want to come out here, you got tennis shoes. Who's it going to be? Who's the bravest teacher out here? Who's it going to be? Come on, I need one, just one. If you're a teacher, you want to volunteer, come on out here. Come on out here. I think we have this lady right here. Make some noise for your volunteer.